Skip Regan, you're riding shotgun with me. I hope you have what it takes.
I definitely have what it takes to ride with Mike Weiss. There's no question about that. I'll be good to go.
I picked Skip because I saw the video he posted. He's a car guy. He likes going fast. He's got cars that have aftermarket parts or making horsepower, and we kind of clicked right away with that. So I'm really excited to be able to share this with him, and this is his world, and he's gonna have a lot of fun, and we're gonna have fun together. We're in Arnold, Nebraska. It's my first time here, and we're having a blast. The people are really down to earth, great community. They're making us feel like a family here. So behind me, you see our 2019 C63 AMG. It's Weistec tuned. It has our Weistec W4 turbochargers, air intake system, exhaust, suspension, and all the safety gear it takes to come out here and do this safely. The first thing in a half-mile event, before the event even starts, you're on the staging lines and your heart starts pumping, and Skip's got to feel that. Anyone's got to feel that. Adrenaline pumping, and the second I'm going to hit the accelerator, just the G-forces that's going to put him back in the seat. And then the pull does not got to stop until we let off. We're really excited to take Skip in the car, and he's going to have a blast. It went awesome. A little bit of traction issues in the beginning there, a little bit of a wet surface this morning, but once the car hooked and we started pulling up top, it was a blast, and doing it with Skip, couldn't have asked for someone better to ride shotgun with. The off-road battery ride shotgun promotion's been amazing. I mean, I made a friend with Skip.
Freaking fantastic, man. Mike was a blast. The car is savage. Our top speed was just a little bit under 150. You know, I never get to be a passenger in these things, so it was a different experience totally. Like I said, putting my life and trust into someone else. Mike's a hell of a driver. I'd like to thank OPTIMA Batteries for an awesome chance to do this today. Mike's been a great host, great driver. I want to thank him too. Like I said, I had a great time. It was awesome.